Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's TangYun. Here is a cup of green tea. The name of this tea is very famous. Its name is Longjing tea, Dragon Well tea. Actually, Longjing tea ranked top among all the famous Chinese tea. But have you ever considered use the tea to cooking something? Today I will use this tea together with this shrimp. Once they meet together, it becomes famous Chinese dish. Name is Longjing shrimp. Actually, the Longjing shrimp is very easy to cook. The main ingredient is Longjing tea and the shrimp. If you cannot find the Longjing tea in the market, you can instead of other green tea. For the shrimp, you'd better to use the river shrimp. All the ingredients is here. Let's get started. Okay, first let's make a cup of green tea. This is the hot water. It's 80 degrees. Then we put the green tea inside. Now our Longjing tea shrimp is done. Do you like it? It looks very beautiful and tastes great. Okay, hope you like my video today. If you like it, don't forget give me a thumbs up. And if you do not subscribe my channel, please do it now. I hope can see you in my next video. See you next time. Bye.